How to make your smart TV faster. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to make your smart TV faster. Go to Settings, click on Settings, go to Device Preferences, then About, then scroll all the way down to Build or Android OS Build. Click on it. Continue clicking on it until it tells you you are now a developer. So I'll continue clicking on it. When I get this option, I'll simply go back one step. Then I'll scroll all the way down to developer options like this. Okay. Then I'll enable developer option like this. Click on it and press OK. When I'm done with that, I'll scroll all the way down to background process limits. What I want to do is to limit the process one step. So click on background process limits. Show background process limits. At least one process. Now I'm going to click on that, and that would make your smart TV faster. Another option is to clear cache data. So I want to go back. Now I'll go to Settings option, scroll to Device Preferences, then Storage. Under Storage, click on it. I'll go to Internal Storage, then I'll go to Cache Data. I want to click on it, then press OK. This automatically free up some space. Also, I could go to Apps. Under App, I can look for any app I feel I will not be needing anymore. When I get that, I can uninstall, but I'm not uninstalling any. So simply go back to the home screen, and now my smart TV is faster.